Hello students, how are you? In the previous lesson, we talked about the chemical properties of acids and the final property that was the reaction of metals with acids, metals more active than hydrogen. That show the reaction is a single displacement type, single displacement reaction. Here we have exercise 6.1. Write the equations for the reactions of magnesium and aluminum with hydrofluoric acid and hydrosulfuric acid. 4 equations in total. He needs 4 equations to solve this exercise. First, let's begin with aluminum. Aluminum will react with hydrofluoric acid to give us aluminum fluoride plus hydrogen gas. Here, aluminum is Al in solid state and hydrofluoric acid is HF in aqueous solution to give us aluminum fluoride AlF3 in aqueous solution plus hydrogen gas is H2 in gas state. Why the result? Why is aluminum fluoride have a chemical equation AlF3? A chemical formula AlF3. As we knew, Al has oxidation state 3+, and hydrogen is H+, and fluoride is F-. To balance F- with Al3+, we need 3F. We need 3F, so the product is AlF3. Why? Because Al here is 3 positive. And F3, 3 multiplying by -1 will be 3 minus. And hydrogen gas. Let's balance this equation. Al in solid state will react with HF to produce AlF3 plus H2. How many F here? 3. How many hydrogen here is 2. How many hydrogen and F here? 1 and 1. So the joint number between 3 and 2 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. So I will multiply HF by 6. Here I have 6 hydrogen and 6 fluorine. Okay? How many fluoride here is 3? How can I make 3 6? By multiplying by 2. 3 multiplying by 2 equals 6. The fluoride is balanced. Second, how many hydrogen here? 2. How many hydrogen here? 6. How can I make 2 6? 2 multiplying by 3 equals 6. I finished from hydrogen. Finally, aluminum. How many aluminum here is 2? 1 multiplying by 2, 2 aluminum. And here 1, I will multiply it by 2. Okay? The second equation. The same metal, aluminum plus sulfuric acid. When aluminum reacted with sulfuric acid, the products are 2 things. First, aluminum sulfate and hydrogen gas. Al in solid state reacted with H2SO4 in aqueous solution. The products are Al2SO4 by 3 in aqueous solution plus H2 gas. Here is Al. Here is sulfate ion. As we knew, Al is 3 positive. The oxidation state of Al is 3 positive. And the oxidation state of SO4 is 2 minus. And hydrogen is +1. So what is the joint number between 3 and 2? When I multiply 3 by 2 equals 6. So I will make the aluminum 6 and the sulfate 6. Here 2. How many need to become 3, multiplying by 3, because 3 multiplying by the oxidation state of sulfate, which is 2 minus 3 multiplying by 2 minus equal minus 6, and Al is 3 positive. 2 multiplying by 3 positive equals 6, and hydrogen will released as hydrogen gas. So here I have 3 sulfate ion. How many sulfate ion here? 1 sulfate ion, 3 sulfate ion. I will multiply sulfuric acid by 3. The sulfate is balanced. And how many hydrogen here is 2? How many hydrogen here is 2, but multiplying by 3 equals 6. So I will multiply this H2 by 6. And here, how many aluminum here is 2? How many aluminum here is 1? So I will multiply it by 2. Let's continue with magnesium. Magnesium reacted with the first acid, which is hydrofluoric acid. The products are 2 things: magnesium fluoride plus hydrogen gas. Mg in solid state reacted with hydrofluoric acid in aqueous solution. The products are 2 things: MgF2 in aqueous solution plus H2 gas. As we knew, the oxidation state of magnesium is 2+, and the oxidation state of fluoride ion is 1-. So I need 2F to balance with the oxidation state 2 of the magnesium. So each magnesium needs 2F. Each magnesium needs 2F, because magnesium is 2+ and needs F2. Why F2? Because when I multiply 2 of F by the oxidation state of F, which is -1, the result is 2-. 2- is balanced with 2+. The total charge must be 0. Okay? And hydrogen gas. How many hydrogen here? 1. How many fluorine ion here is 1. How many fluoride? 2. How many hydrogen here is 2. So when I multiply HF by 2, I get 2 hydrogen and 2F. Here 2 fluoride and 2 hydrogen. How many magnesium here is 1? How many magnesium here is 1? So this equation is balanced. And finally, magnesium, when reacted with sulfuric acid, it will give us magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Magnesium is solid state, and H2SO4 in the aqueous state. Magnesium sulfate is MgSO4 in aqueous state plus hydrogen gas is H2 gas. What is the oxidation state of Mg? Magnesium is 2+, and the oxidation state of sulfate ion is 2-. So the total charge is 0, because here 2+ and here 2-, and this compound are balanced. So how many magnesium here? 1. How many magnesium here is 1? Balance. How many sulfate ion here is 1 sulfate ion, and 1 sulfate ion here? Balanced. How many hydrogen gas here? H2, 2 hydrogen. How many hydrogen gas is H2? So this equation doesn't need a balance because it's balance itself. Thank you.